New for 2024, the FC250 Rockstar Edition provides serious races with a machine designed and built for winning. A competition-focused evolution of the class-leading FC250, the new model is enhanced with multiple electronic rider aids and the very best technical accessories to deliver the ultimate on-track performance. Quality, race-tested components including an FMF silencer, Dunlop tires, and the latest WP XACT suspension underlines the premium specification of the new machine that is complete with the latest Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing graphics. The Pro Taper handlebar is lightweight and incredibly strong. The rider's hands with soft compound OD lock-on grips. Electronic. Map select switch. Quick shifter. Traction control. Launch control. Engine engineered to ensure class-leading performance. 249, 9cc, DOHC cylinder head are finished with a diamond-like carbon, DLC, coating. Clutch. Wet multi-disc DS clutch, Brembo hydraulics. Frame. The frame itself is expertly crafted from hydro-formed, laser-cut, and robot-welded steel and finished with a premium white powder coating for a true race team look. Subframe. Constructed with a blend of 60% polyamide and 40% aluminium. Factory racing triple clamps. The CNC machined factory racing triple clamps are fully adjustable to offer true customization. Front suspension. WP XACT front suspension. The high-performance WP XACT 48mm split air forks feature settings to perfectly match the frame and linkage. Rear suspension. WP XACT shock absorber. The linkage geometry has been developed to ensure maximum performance. Brembo brakes. Brembo brakes deliver class-leading braking performance. With a 260mm floating front disc, protected by a 2K carbon composite front disc protector, and a 220mm wave rear disc. Swing arm. The aluminium swing arm has been designed to ensure optimal stiffness and durability. Factory racing wheel set. Black anodized Excel Takasago rims laced to black CNC machined hubs using high-quality spokes. Tires delivering best-in-class performance, the new Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires. The FMF Factory 4.1 RCT silencer is a championship-winning component. Beautifully crafted with a blue anodized titanium body and finished with a carbon fiber end cap. Bodywork. The contact points of the slim bodywork offer unrestricted movement, which allows riders to perform at their very best for extended periods of time. The high grip guts racing seat cover is fitted to keep riders firmly in place under hard acceleration. Rounding out the bodywork is the latest Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing graphics, which are applied using in-mold technology for a quality and durable finish.